Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying support and connectivity. Check that your TV lists Miracast or Wi-Fi Direct, and make sure both TV and source are updated and on the same network. Once done, reboot the TV and your device so services restart cleanly. Now enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone or laptop, keep the screen active, and open the display or casting settings. These first actions reduce configuration errors and prepare both endpoints for the pairing handshake. Next, you actively put the TV into Miracast listening mode. Go to Settings, then Network or Connections, and select Screen Share, Miracast, or Wi-Fi Direct. Set it to Ready. Once the TV is waiting, switch to your source device. On Windows, choose Project Right Arrow Connect to a wireless display. On Android, tap Cast in Quick Settings. When your TV appears, select it. If a PIN or permission prompt appears, accept it on both sides. This step creates the direct peer-to-peer link for screen projection. Finally, you confirm the connection and optimize settings. Set the output resolution and orientation on your device. Use 16:9 for TVs to match the TV and avoid scaling artifacts. Make sure devices remain within about 10 meters and minimize router interference. Once connected, test video and audio. If playback stutters or the session drops, reduce quality, restart Wi-Fi Direct on both devices, and repair. One key troubleshooting tip: if pairing fails, reboot both devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.